How to create text marquee with no code in Wix Studio. So that one is actually relatively simple. So just head over to the part of your Wix Studio that you want to add that. Click on this plus icon. And then after that, it should open this case. Click onto this text. And then under that, you can see this text marquee option. So as you can see right here, we have in here text marquee options that we can choose. For example, for this case, let's choose in here this new arrivals, and then just put that or drag it wherever you want to put it into your actual page. I'll attach it right around here. And as you can see, it actually shows up. So what we can do next is we just need to head over and then just try to stretch it to this part of the actual page. You can also just click onto the stretch icon, and as you can see, it's been stretched. Now in here, you can already apply it and publish it in their site. And once it's been published, an ongoing loop of this will appear onto your site that you have created. So that's how you create text marquee with no code in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.